What is going on, guys? So as you can see, I have some stuff in front of me. I recently made a little order to Tackle Warehouse. I figured I would do an unboxing real quick and show you what I recently picked up. So I guess we'll start with the big one first. Put this one aside for now and cut this open. I've had this for a little while now, actually. This was actually a gift. Get that. Comment down below right now. Yeah, right now, if you can guess what this is. Obviously it's a long tube, so you can guess that, and then guess what kind of rod it is. I'll tell you it's a rod. Box is a lot longer than it needs to be too. So yeah, here's the new rod. Look at that, guys. 13 fishing, Fate Black. I've wanted this rod for I don't even know how long now, over a year probably. This thing is sick. The color is so sick. Hell yeah. I got the 7'1" medium heavy action. Like I said, I ordered it. I ordered this back in March. It was a gift, and so ordered back in March. It didn't show up until like 2 weeks ago. The wait time was ridiculous. I kept on getting my order pushed back. I was starting to get pissed off. I almost canceled the order, but I'm kind of glad I got it. And funny story, the 13 fishing Concept C that I just bought was supposed to go on this, but I couldn't wait for this to come, so I bought the Mojo rod instead. But yeah, first thing is the Fate Black 13 fishing. I am psyched on that. Alright, we'll do the box next. Comment below if you can guess what is in the box.
Show you in the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
One thing has to go with that reel, or that rod. I just gave it away pretty much. But yeah, here's this. So, I guess we'll do the reel first. Comment again below and guess what kind of reel I bought. I usually buy the same kind of reels, but this is a little bit different. It's my first one of these. Hopefully I like it. And it is the Abu Garcia Revo X. I'm hyped on this. I've read a lot of good things about this thing. Again, this is my first time opening this, so we'll see what it looks like. Oh, that thing is sick. Hell yeah. Look at that, guys. I got the, geez, this thing is awesome. The 5:4:1 ratio for crankbaits. I think this, yeah, it even has the clicking tension knob. That's so sick. A little bit of info on these. This is an 8-ball bearing reel. I think it came in at like 7.8 ounces or something like that, so it's a little bit heavier, but it feels good. Like, it feels stable. And then yeah, like I said, 5:4:1, so crankbaits and stuff like that. I'm excited to get this on the water. I have to get some line for it, but yeah, this is going on this. I guess I can put it on there right now. I definitely wanted to stay on the lighter, or not the lighter, the cheaper, kind of cheaper side for this, since the last reel I bought was pretty expensive, the Concept C. That looks awesome on there. Look at that, the black and the black guides. Ew, I'm hyped on that. I'm excited to use this thing. But we will keep on moving along here. We'll put this stuff back. The first and only, which reminds me, the first and only muskie hunt video I've done, I lost a Huddleston. So this is a replacement Huddleston. This is actually the Ghost Trout, I think, version. Yeah, or Phantom Rainbow Trout. So I got one of these. This looks a little bit smaller than my last one. That's how I got the 68. I don't know, Radio Fall 12, Huddleston. I need a replacement one of those. Got that. I also, what else did I buy? Reaction Innovations Man Bear Pig. I keep on seeing Tactical Bassin use Man Bear Pig, so I had to get some of these, test those out. Then I also bought a Cloud 9. Jeez, I didn't realize how big this thing is. Look at that. Cloud 9 crankbait. What the hell? I got a Magnum crankbait. Look how big that bait is. Okay. I didn't realize that was that big. Alright. And of course, the Tackle Warehouse sticker. Got that too. What else? Okay, last but not least, today I was at Bass Pro. I had to get line and a couple other things. Again, I was watching Tactical Bassin, and they were talking about these tungsten football swing jigs. So I got a couple of those, and then I got some Zoom Z-Cross, which they also mentioned to toss onto these. I wanted to try this a lot more. It's more like power fishing. You just swim it back. The head shakes like this. These also look sick. So Z-Cross, and yeah, that. Yeah, that's it for now. It's a lot of stuff. It was kind of a lot of money, but like I said, the rod was a gift and other stuff I just needed to get. So yeah, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, and that's gonna be it for today. I will check you guys in the next video. Later. Got one. He'd spit it. Oh, he's still hooked. Oh no, it came off. It came off right at the end. What? That was a disaster. That was bad. I was not expecting to catch that fish. So I was reeling it in like on my side. He came up and nailed it, man. It could have been one. Messed up. Okay, it wasn't very big anyway. It's okay. No big.